Alfreda S6. The Alfreda S6 is a state-of-the-art electric tricycle that combines security, practicality, and speed. With a top speed between 30 to 45 km per hour, it provides a convenient range of 50 to 60 km on a single charge, powered by a 500-watt motor and a 48 volts, 15.6 Ah battery. Charging takes about 5 to 6 hours, so it's ready to go when you are. This tricycle is built for versatility, with a maximum load capacity of 180 kilograms, making it suitable for riders between 150 centimeters and 195 centimeters tall. Whether you're on smooth streets or rough terrain, the Alfreda S6 offers a comfortable ride. Its shock absorption system and hydraulic brakes ensure smooth stopping power and stability. One standout feature is its quick folding design. In just 1 second, you can fold it into a compact size by simply lifting the seat cushion, making it easy to store and transport. With high-end features and a reasonable price of $1,999, the Alfreda S6 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an efficient and reliable electric tricycle. EVE Air Mobility, the future of urban air travel. EVE Air Mobility is bringing the dream of flying cars closer to reality with their electric aircraft. Designed with safety, comfort, and efficiency in mind, these aircraft can travel up to 60 miles at speeds of 150 miles per hour. Whether you're heading to work, running between meetings, or just want a thrilling flight experience, EVE has the perfect solution. Their goal? To make urban travel faster, cleaner, and easier for everyone. By focusing on electric power, EVE Air Mobility not only offers a quicker way to get around but also helps reduce your carbon footprint with every flight. Imagine soaring over traffic, cutting your commute time, and knowing you're helping the environment all at once. With EVE Air Mobility, the future of transportation is electric, and the sky is truly the limit. Audi DNA. The Audi DNA is a conceptual electric trike that reimagines comfort and functionality for on-the-go living. Picture a sleek, aerodynamic design crafted from lightweight materials like carbon fiber, which boosts both performance and efficiency. Inside, the spacious cabin offers plenty of storage, perfect for luggage and essentials on extended journeys. The advanced connectivity system allows seamless integration with smartphones and digital tools, making it an ideal vehicle for remote workers who need to stay connected while traveling. Powered by an electric motor, the Audi DNA ensures a smooth, eco-friendly ride. The Trike's 3-wheel configuration not only provides stability but also allows for increased cargo capacity compared to traditional 2-wheel bikes. Though details on the Audi DNA concept remain limited, it reflects Audi's signature design language and hints at a luxurious, high-tech future for urban transportation. The Audi DNA is a blend of innovation, style, and sustainability, offering a vision of what's possible in tomorrow's travel. RC Motorhome's RC12M, the ultimate in luxury and freedom. Experience the perfect combination of comfort and adventure with the RC Motorhome's RC12M. This impressive 12-meter motorhome offers a spacious, luxurious interior made with top-quality materials and the latest technology. Designed for long road trips or full-time living, the RC12M is powered by a strong engine and handles smoothly on the road. Inside, you'll find everything you need for a comfortable journey: an advanced entertainment system, a full-size kitchen with high-end appliances, a cozy bedroom with a king-size bed, and a deluxe bathroom with a large walk-in shower. Whether you're exploring new destinations or enjoying life on the move, the RC12M has you covered. It's the ultimate way to elevate your travels and enjoy the freedom of the open road in style. Doohan iTank. The Doohan iTank is a groundbreaking electric vehicle that combines elements of both scooters and motorcycles. With its unique 3-wheel design, it offers impressive stability and safety, thanks to the dual front wheels, each equipped with independent hydraulic suspension. This vehicle is classified as a limited-speed motorcycle in certain regions, delivering a powerful and smooth ride. Doohan calls the iTank the world's first electric crossover motorcycle, positioning it as a versatile choice for urban commuters. The iTank also features Doohan's patented DDWT system, which enhances handling and control for a safer riding experience. This innovative electric motorcycle is further enhanced by a smartphone app that enables remote monitoring and diagnostics, keeping riders informed and secure. While the Doohan iTank may no longer be widely available due to distribution changes, it remains a remarkable option for anyone looking for a unique and reliable electric motorcycle. With its distinctive design and advanced safety features, the iTank continues to stand out in the world of electric transportation. Hitachi Blues Concept Train. The Hitachi Blues Concept Train is a pioneering model in European rail travel, designed for maximum flexibility and sustainability. This tribrid train seamlessly combines three power sources: electricity, batteries, and a diesel engine. It automatically switches between them, depending on track conditions, to ensure the most efficient and eco-friendly operation. On electrified routes, the Blues train runs on overhead power lines. But when it enters non-electrified sections, it transitions to either battery or diesel power, adapting effortlessly to keep the journey moving. Near stations, it runs solely on batteries, reducing both emissions and noise for a cleaner, quieter approach. The train's advanced system significantly reduces carbon emissions by as much as 50%. Reaching speeds of up to 162 km per hour, it's designed for efficiency without compromising performance. The Hitachi Blues concept train represents a major advancement in sustainable rail transport, offering a glimpse into the future of eco-friendly travel. Toyota FV2 concept: a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. The Toyota FV2 is a revolutionary concept vehicle that changes how we think about driving. Instead of a traditional steering wheel, the FV2 is controlled by the driver's body movements, creating a deeper connection between person and machine. This futuristic vehicle feels more like a robot than a car, featuring an augmented reality windshield and a system that responds to how you move. With four wheels arranged in a diamond shape, the FV2 leans into corners like a motorcycle, but with extra stability. You can drive it either sitting or standing, with acceleration, braking, and steering all done through simple shifts in your body weight. Toyota designed the FV2 to make driving more intuitive and fun, blending cutting-edge technology with a personalized driving experience. This concept showcases Toyota's bold vision for the future of personal transportation. Taiga Orca. The Taiga Orca is transforming on water power sports with its fully electric design, offering an impressive mix of power and sustainability. Priced at $25,499, this innovative personal watercraft boasts a 120 kilowatt tractive unit, delivering up to 160 horsepower. Its electric engine provides exceptional throttle response, making it both responsive and exhilarating to ride. Built for agility, the Orca's unique hull design makes it surprisingly nimble on the water, enhancing control and maneuverability. It has a range of up to 2 hours, allowing for extended adventures without sacrificing performance. Charging is made convenient with level 2 options and an optional level 3 fast charger, which can get you back on the water in as little as 40 minutes. Beyond performance, the Orca offers a zero-emission, noise-free, and odor-free experience, allowing riders to enjoy the water and nature without disturbing it. The Taiga Orca brings a powerful, eco-friendly twist to personal watercraft, perfect for riders looking to combine adventure with environmental responsibility. Copter Pack: the future of personal transportation. Meet the Copter Pack, a groundbreaking device that blends the power of a drone with the convenience of a backpack. Picture this. You hike, bike, or walk to your spot, then easily launch into the sky with a simple switch. Thanks to its compact build, easy controls, and smart flying tech, the Copter Pack is ideal for adventurers, daily commuters, and first responders. From exploring remote trails and zipping through crowded cities to racing to emergencies, the Copter Pack offers a thrilling, dependable ride. It's not just functional, its sleek look makes it a real showstopper. Step into the future of personal transport and elevate your journey with the Copter Pack. Jetzero Blended Wing. The Jetzero Blended Wing is a pioneering concept in commercial aviation, setting a new standard for efficiency and sustainability. This innovative aircraft, developed by Jetzero, features a distinctive design where the fuselage and wings merge into a smooth, aerodynamic form. This unique shape drastically reduces drag, enhancing fuel efficiency. Scheduled to launch in 2030, the Jetzero Blended Wing is fully compatible with sustainable aviation fuel and can support zero carbon emissions using hydrogen. This design offers lower aerodynamic drag, additional lift, and improved agility, making it a game-changer in both mobility and efficiency. Lancia Pou Plus R0 Concept. The Lancia Pou Plus R0 concept is a striking blend of Lancia's classic style and bold, futuristic design. This concept sculpture takes inspiration from the softness and innocence of Lancia's Flaminia and Aurelia models, mixed with the sharp angles of the Stratus and Delta. Its unique look includes spherical taillights inspired by the Stratus and a Y-shaped LED signature echoing the classic Lancia grille. This concept lacks a traditional cabin but features a distinctive circular roof opening, enhancing its three-dimensional, artistic appearance. The interior draws inspiration from Italian furniture design, with clean shapes and bold color-blocking materials. Lancia's new emblem, a simplified version of its 1957 logo with a vertical line on the left side, is also showcased in this design. Starting in 2024, Lancia plans to release a new electric vehicle every 2 years, each one embodying this vision of modern Italian elegance. If the Pou Plus R0 concept were to hit the market, its unique design and complexity could make it a luxury item, estimated at around $200,000. The Lancia Pou Plus R0 concept represents a bold, new direction for Lancia, combining iconic heritage with innovative design. Hike Power, the Solar Backpack Revolution. Meet Hike Power, the ultimate backpack designed to harness solar energy. Weighing just 8 kilograms, this sleek backpack is more than just a storage space. It comes with a built-in solar panel and a powerful 600 watt-hour battery. That's enough energy to charge an iPhone 13 up to 48 times. The design is both stylish and functional. The tough aluminum case hides a soft backpack inside, making it both sturdy and comfortable to wear. Need to charge different devices? No problem. There are multiple ports for versatile use. But Hike Power isn't just for hiking. It's perfect for delivery workers, yard work, or even during a power outage at home. The backpack also includes some extra features, like LED running lights for safety, a pull-out rain cover to protect your gear, and a protective casing for added durability. All of this convenience comes at a price of $700. Hike Power is the future of backpacks, combining functionality with cutting-edge technology. LEO Coupe Time Machine. The LEO Coupe Time Machine is an extraordinary leap into the future of personal transportation. Priced at $459,900, this sleek, two-seater flying car combines the flexibility of vertical takeoff and landing with the speed of an airplane. It cruises at 200 miles per hour and offers a range of 250 miles, making it both fast and efficient. The LEO Coupe is powered entirely by electric jet propulsion, emphasizing clean energy and safety. Equipped with 200 lift jets for added reliability, it also includes a ballistic recovery parachute and auto takeoff and landing features. These safety elements ensure a secure flight, even in unexpected situations. Designed with a lightweight and aerodynamic build, the LEO Coupe eliminates the need for traditional propellers, reducing risk and improving performance. It features a semi-autonomous control system, meaning only minimal flight training is required, making it accessible to more people. Offering an exhilarating yet secure flying experience, the LEO Coupe Time Machine isn't just a glimpse into the future. It's a revolutionary step toward making advanced aviation accessible for everyone. Massimo Electric iTango. The Massimo Electric iTango is a sleek, high-performance, three-wheel electric scooter that combines modern style with power. Priced at $2,995, it offers impressive features for city commuters and adventure seekers alike. At the heart of the iTango is a robust 1500-watt Bosch motor, capable of reaching speeds up to 30 miles per hour. With this power, it's designed to handle both urban traffic and longer rides with ease. This scooter comes equipped with a swappable 48-volt, 15-amp lithium battery, offering a range of up to 44 miles on a single charge. Charging time is around 5.5 hours, keeping downtime minimal and allowing you to get back on the road quickly. Stitz SA2A Skybaby. The Stitz SA2A Skybaby, created by Ray Stitz in collaboration with Robert H. Starr, is celebrated as one of the smallest aircraft ever built. This tiny marvel of aviation engineering represents a bold step in miniaturized aircraft design. The Sky Baby features a single-engine setup with a distinctive negative stagger design, meaning its wings are positioned slightly backward compared to typical planes. It has conventional landing gear and a compact, enclosed cockpit, making it both unique and efficient in structure. Built from welded steel tubing covered in aircraft fabric, the Sky Baby has an unconventional layout. The pilot sits close to the engine, and the rudder pedals are cleverly positioned beneath the oil sump, maximizing space in the tiny cockpit. Powering this micro-aircraft is a modified LEO Coupe engine, generating 112 horsepower, plenty of energy to showcase the Sky Baby's capabilities. With its innovative design and ambitious engineering, the Stitz SA-2A Sky Baby is a testament to ingenuity in aviation, pushing the limits of what's possible in compact flight.